Not long ago, AI was just a voice in our phones, answering questions, setting reminders, or replying to emails. It lived inside screens, quietly helping us, but never stepping beyond the digital world. Then came 2025, a turning point. AI began to move, to build, and to make decisions on its own. Now, as we head into 2026, AI is stepping out of the digital world and into the physical one. It's shaping up to be a year that promises something even bigger. Robots that are not just smart, but extraordinary. From humanoid robots and autonomous cars to cobots and construction bots, machines are no longer just intelligent. They're mobile, adaptable, and surprisingly capable. And what I think is, it's both fascinating and a little terrifying, because when AI becomes physical, when it has arms, legs, wheels, and drones, it doesn't just assist us. It competes, collaborates, and sometimes replaces us. So today, let's look at a few robotics trends shaping 2026, the year AI is set to truly live among us. By the end of this video, you might start noticing the machines around you a little differently. Humanoid robots. When AI starts looking back at you. When you hear robot, your mind might jump to something out of iRobot or Star Wars. Sleek machines with human faces and unsettlingly polite voices. Well, what once lived only in our imagination is now crossing into reality. In 2025, the humanoid robotics race heated up fast. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Agility Robotics are competing to build robots that can walk, talk, and work safely alongside humans. Tesla's Optimus, yes, that's its real name, has evolved far beyond the clumsy prototype we saw a few years ago. It can already sort objects, lift weights, and learn new tasks using Tesla's self-driving AI. It's still in development, but the direction is clear. These robots aren't just experiments anymore. They're entering real-world pilot projects in warehouses and factories. Their main purpose? Filling labor gaps in logistics and manufacturing. But here's where things take a turn. As these robots become more expressive, balanced, and human-like,
longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
it's hard not to wonder, how long before one's working next to you? Or even making a decision about your job. Still, watching a humanoid robot walk upright, balance, and mimic human gestures feels surreal. It's not just technology. It's evolution with a metal skeleton. Cobots, the teammates you didn't ask for, but might need. Now let's talk about the quiet heroes of automation. Cobots, short for collaborative robots. They're not here to replace us, but to work with us. Think of them as coworkers who never sleep, never get tired, and never forget instructions. They're designed to handle repetitive, risky, or precise tasks, while humans focus on creativity and decision-making. In 2026, cobots are expected to become mainstream, especially for small and medium-sized businesses, not just giant factories. You'll see them serving food in restaurants, disinfecting airports, assisting surgeons, and even helping elderly patients with mobility. The global cobot market is projected to reach nearly $30 billion by 2035. But the big leap starts now. Why? Because cobots are getting cheaper, safer, and more adaptable. They learn faster and integrate more easily into existing workflows than ever before. Of course, not everyone loves the idea of robotic coworkers. There's an underlying fear that the same cobot you train today might outperform you tomorrow. And honestly, that fear isn't entirely wrong. But maybe that's what 2026 is about. Coexistence, not competition. Humans bring emotion, empathy, and creativity. Machines bring precision and endurance. And the future belongs to those who know how to use both. Robotaxis, the drivers that don't blink. Self-driving cars have been almost here for what feels like forever. But 2026 might finally be the year when almost becomes actually happening. Companies like Waymo, Cruise, and Baidu are already running robotaxi fleets in select cities. San Francisco, Phoenix, Beijing, and Abu Dhabi, to name a few. You sit inside and there's no driver. Just a calm voice, some sensors, and your own heartbeat questioning your life choices. In 2026, more cities, including parts of Europe and Asia, are expected to allow pilot robotaxi programs on public roads. Governments are slowly warming up to the idea, building legal frameworks and safety protocols for autonomous transportation. Sure, it still sounds risky. Who do you blame in a crash? Who do you tip? But once people experience the convenience, no arguments, no fatigue, no bad music taste, it's easy to see why this might become the default way to travel in the future. It's not just a new way to get from point A to B. It's a new kind of trust between humans and algorithms. And for the first time, your car might be the one judging your driving skills. Robots in construction, building the future brick by brick. If there's one field people thought was too unpredictable for robots, it's construction. Dust, chaos, weather, manual labor. Not exactly ideal for delicate machines, right? Well, that's changing fast. By 2026, construction robots are entering early-stage deployments on real job sites. Machines like Hadrian X, which can lay an entire brick wall in minutes, or Bobot, which can drill, paint, and install components autonomously, are proving that robots can handle complex, hands-on tasks. These robots don't just follow blueprints. They interpret them, adjust to site conditions, and work with precision that's nearly impossible for humans to sustain. Studies show that construction robots can cut repetitive human labor by up to 80% and reduce time spent in hazardous areas by nearly 70%. That's not futuristic. That's happening right now in pilot projects across the US, Australia, and parts of Europe. Of course, this raises a sensitive question.
Tired of your coffee going cold? The Ember mug keeps your drink perfectly hot, so the last sip is as good as the first. The perfect upgrade for you, or a great gift for a loved one's. Click the link in the comments section to buy now.
What happens to jobs? The truth is, automation will change how labor works, but it won't erase it. Instead of lifting bricks, humans will oversee systems, manage robot fleets, and design digital construction models. In other words, we'll still build, just differently. Robotic warfare, when the battlefield thinks for itself. Here's where things get dark. AI isn't just building our world. It's also being weaponized to destroy it. Since the war in Ukraine, we've seen drones, targeting systems, and cyber warfare completely reshape what modern conflict looks like. But 2026 marks the next step. Autonomous robotic warfare. The US military's Replicator Initiative aims to deploy thousands of AI-powered drones and vehicles capable of independent decision-making in combat. Meanwhile, China is developing underwater and ground-based robots that can identify and neutralize threats autonomously. We're talking about robot dogs patrolling borders, self-aiming guns identifying enemies through facial recognition, and drones that can operate without direct human control. Maybe it sounds extraordinary, but it's quickly becoming normal. And while some argue this could reduce human casualties, others fear what happens when machines start deciding who lives or dies. That's where the conversation about robotics becomes not just technological, but deeply ethical. Because in 2026, the question isn't just what AI can do. It's what we should allow it to do. The big picture. From digital to physical. AI. When we talk about artificial intelligence, we usually imagine screens, chatbots, or virtual assistants. But that's only half the truth. The real revolution is happening in motion, in machines that can move, sense, and interact with the world the way we do. Factories, hospitals, cities, even battlefields. All are becoming testing grounds for physical AI. As 2026 unfolds, we're entering one of the most important transitions in modern history, where intelligence stops being abstract and starts taking form. Whether it's walking robots, cobot teammates, or self-driving fleets, AI is learning how to live among us, quietly, efficiently, and sometimes unpredictably. The real challenge now isn't building better robots. It's deciding how far we're willing to let them go. Do we collaborate or compete? Do we draw lines or cross them? Because one thing's obvious. AI isn't waiting for us to decide. It's already here, and it's learning fast. So tell me, which of these trends excites you the most, and which one scares you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious about the robots I talked about, check out my channel. The full stories are waiting for you there.